Biodiversity. Question 1. Consider the following statements regarding floral and faunal diversity. 1. Protozoa are simple, single-celled prokaryotic microscopic animals that are mostly autotrophic. 2. Crustaceans live mostly in the ocean or other waters and have a hard external shell, which protects their body. 3. Reptiles, amphibians and aves are cold-blooded animals while mammals are warm-blooded animals. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 2 only. D. 1 and 3 only. Question 2. Consider the following statements regarding Central Zoo Authority. 1. The Central Zoo Authority has been constituted under the Environment Protection Act 1986. 2. The Central Zoo Authority regulates the exchange of animals of endangered category listed under Schedule I and 2 of the Wildlife Protection Act among zoos. 3. It is chaired by the Environment Minister and has 10 members and a member secretary. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 3. Consider the following statements regarding Project Elephant. 1. Project Elephant is a centrally sponsored scheme, CSS, launched for the protection of elephants, their habitats and corridors. 2. The financial support for the project comes from Global Environment Facility, while technical support comes from the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. 3. Agasthamlai in Tamil Nadu is notified as Elephant Reserve after Singphan Elephant Reserve in Jharkhand. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 4. Which of the following statements correctly summarizes Biodiversity Intactness Index? A. It summarizes the change in ecological communities in response to human pressures. B. It summarizes the concentration of flora and fauna in a particular territory. C. It summarizes the average climate funding percentage of a country with respect to its GDP. D. It summarizes the biodiversity concentrated in a specific country. Question 5. Consider the following statements regarding various Ramsar sites in India. 1. Karikali Bird Sanctuary along with Vedanthangal Bird Sanctuary has been identified as one of the important bird areas of Kerala. 2. The Sakhya Sagar Lake is a human-made reservoir on the Manya River, lies at the edge of the forests of the Madhav National Park in Madhya Pradesh. 3. Pala wetland falls under the Indo-Burma Biodiversity Hotspot and major component of the Palak Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Manipur. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 only. C. 3 only. D. 2 and 3 only. Question 6. Consider the following statements regarding Ramsar Convention. 1. It is an international treaty for the conservation and wise use of wetlands known officially as the Convention on Wetlands of International Importance, especially as waterfowl habitat, came into force in 1975. 2. Every 3 years, representatives of the contracting parties meet as the Conference of the Contracting Parties. 3. Montreux's record is the primary tool under the Ramsar Convention for recognizing wetlands sites on priority basis. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 7. Consider the following pairs regarding wetlands and their location. Wetland lake location. 1. Thane Creek, Maharashtra. 2. Yashwant Sagar Lake, Gujarat. 3. Ansupa Lake, Odisha. 4. Sasthamkota Lake, Tamil Nadu. How many pairs given above are correctly matched? A. Only one pair. B. Only two pairs. C. Only three pairs. D. All four pairs. Question 8. This national park is located in the Chambal region that forms part of Shivpuri deciduous open forest landscape and is estimated to have a capacity to sustain cheetahs. It offers the prospect of housing four big cats of India, tiger, lion, leopard and cheetah and allowing them to coexist. It is also a part of the Khatia Gir dry deciduous forests ecoregion. Which of the following is referred to in the above lines? A. Kuno Palpur National Park. B. Bandhavgarh National Park. C. Gir National Park. D. Nauradehi Wildlife Sanctuary. Question 9. Consider the following pairs regarding Ramsar sites, wetlands. States region. 1. Bakhira Rajasthan. 2. Khijriya, Gujarat. 3. Shalabug Himachal. 4. Haigam Jammu and Kashmir. How many pairs given above are correctly matched? A. Only one pair. B. Only two pair. C. Only three pair. D. All the four pairs. Question 10. Consider the following statements regarding biodiversities by 2030 initiative. 1. It is a joint initiative of the UNHabitat and the Government of Colombia to support city governments, businesses and citizens to enable cities to live in harmony with nature by 2030. 2. A report titled Biodiversities by 2030 Transforming Cities' Relationship with Nature was published by World Wildlife Fund. 3. The Global Risks Report 2022 that examines risks across 5 categories like economic, environmental, geopolitical, societal, and technological is published by World Economic Forum. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3.